Let's focus on the state of Maharashtra. Unbelievable surge that we've seen in the last few weeks. And that's why there's one question everyone's asking. Is there going to be a lockdown now in the state of Maharashtra? That's something that the government is discussing. The state government has made it very clear that they're open to the idea. This is because Maharashtra again reported the highest single-day spike with 63,294 new cases and 349 deaths in the last 24 hours. That takes its active caseload to over 5,65,500. Amid the rising cases and the series of meetings that have been chaired by Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, a meet with the Deputy Chief Minister is scheduled for today. A cabinet meet would be chaired on Wednesday to seal the decision. The government, after having discussions with the task force and all the parties, is also mulling to provide certain facilities in all districts to curb the COVID spread. This includes liquid oxygen plant in each district and restricting also the number of attendees in funerals amid others. Mumbai alone has reported 9,989 cases with 58 deaths in the last 24 hours. That means that the active caseload now stands at 92,464 with a total of 877 buildings sealed in the city.
निश्चित रूप से अगर आंकड़े इसी तरह से बढ़ते रहे तो टास्क फोर्स का मत है कि कहीं न कहीं लॉकडाउन कड़ाई से लागू करना पड़ेगा, लेकिन इसको लेके कोई अंतिम निर्णय अभी नहीं हुआ है। मुख्यमंत्री है, उप मुख्यमंत्री है, कैबिनेट के और साथी हैं, सभी बैठ के चर्चा करेंगे और जो टास्क फोर्स का एडवाइस है उसको लेके क्या फैसला किया जा सकता है वो आने वाले दिनों में निश्चित रूप से फैसला होगा।
Pankaj Upadhyay is joining us live from Mumbai with more details on this. Pankaj, good morning. Very, very worrying situation in Maharashtra, and the focus right now is on what kind of steps the state government is going to be taking to tackle this spread. Is there a chance that there will be a lockdown imposed at least for a limited period now?
Good morning, Akshita. So such is the scenario in the financial capital that every day new guidelines and instructions are being issued by the Brihan-Mumbai Municipal Corporation and the state government. The latest is that all the testing labs have been directed to bring out the test results within 24 hours and that the labs should be concentrating more on symptomatic patients. Now, BMC has also appointed nodal officers for all the 24 war rooms and who will be looking very keenly at the management or not just the ward rooms but also the various field jumbo hospitals, because bed management is of a crucial nature right now. Most of the people have been complaining they are not getting the beds on time, and therefore these nodal officers have now been appointed. In yesterday's meeting, the task force said that 95% of the patients could be cured in home quarantine as well, and it is only the critical patients who the government needs to worry now. But seeing the kind of cases that are rising on a daily basis and the death count that is also rising, the senior officials have also pointed out that perhaps in the days to come they might also run out of the medical oxygen supply as well. So yesterday's meeting with the COVID task force was very critical. Today the Chief Minister will also be meeting the Deputy Chief Minister. Post that on Wednesday there's going to be a cabinet meeting as well. While on one hand Chief Minister has already indicated that there could be a 8-day lockdown, many members of the COVID task force have said that a lockdown of at least 14 days is required to break the chain. So even though no final decision has been taken for now, as far as Mumbai is concerned, the condition continues to remain grim. The doubling rate now, Akshita, has come down to 35 days. The active sealed buildings are now 877. The active cases are more than 92,000. So in spite of the best efforts that are being put in by the state government and the Brihan-Mumbai Municipal Corporation, the scenario remains very grim in the city, and that's why new instructions, new guidelines are being brought out every single day. New facilities are being added. 3 more jumbo centers are going to be added in the days to come. In addition to that, many 5-star hotels, 4-star hotels, other facilities are being put in together so that they can serve in as
and the reason for that, Pankaj, thank you for getting us those details. What Pankaj touched upon right there is also...
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.